In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with loans in Xero. We will start from the Xero dashboard and walk through the basic setup you need so your loan is recorded properly. In Xero, a loan is treated as money your business owes, which means it should be recorded as a liability. Setting this up correctly helps keep your balance sheet accurate and makes it much easier to understand what your business owes at any given time. From the top menu, click Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. This is where you manage the accounts used to categorize different parts of your business finances. Once you are in the Chart of Accounts, click Add Account to create a new account specifically for the loan. Now you will need to choose the correct account type. If the loan is due in under 12 months, choose Current Liability. If the loan is due in over 12 months, choose Non-Current Liability. This distinction matters because it affects how the loan appears in your financial reports, so it's important to match the type to the loan term. Next, enter an account code and an account name. The code can follow whatever numbering system your business uses, and the account name should clearly identify the loan, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a simple name like a bank loan or business loan account. Once that's filled in, click Save. With the loan account created, the next step is recording the loan disbursement when the money actually arrives in your bank account. This tells Xero that the deposit was not income but borrowed money. That distinction is very important because recording it incorrectly could affect your reports and make your financial position look inaccurate. To do this, go back to the top menu. Click Accounting, then select the Bank Accounts dashboard and click Reconcile. In the reconciliation screen, find the bank statement line that shows the incoming loan deposit. This is the amount that was paid into your bank account by the lender. Under the Create tab, select the liability account you just created. Then add a description so the transaction is easy to understand later, such as a note explaining that it was a loan disbursement. Once everything looks correct, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.